Ever wondered about the epic journey a humble strawberry undertakes before it graces your plate? This little fruit traverses over 1,800 miles before it reaches you. Quite a journey, isn't it? Now, envision plucking that same strawberry from a plant in your own backyard, ripe and bursting with flavor. Welcome to the age of Biogrowth Catalyst, a product designed to turn your garden dreams into reality. Brought to you by the brilliant minds at Texas Biotechnology Incorporated. Whoever said you need a green thumb to enjoy the fruits of your labor? Literally. With Biogrowth Catalyst, transforming your backyard into a lush, productive garden is a walk in the park. This product is your secret weapon to effortlessly evolve from a gardening novice to an accomplished cultivator. Even without the intricate know-how of gardening, Biogrowth Catalyst has got you covered, empowering you to enjoy a bountiful harvest. Biogrowth Catalyst performs its magic by rejuvenating the soil, enhancing crop growth and health. It's like serving your plants a nutrient-packed superfood smoothie, providing them everything they need to flourish. The results? Truly remarkable. Consider the Johnson family. They've experienced the power of Biogrowth Catalyst firsthand. For them, it's not just about the healthier, cleaner and tastier produce. It's about the sheer joy and satisfaction of growing their own food right in their backyard. It's about the teenager who now favors homegrown tomatoes over store-bought candy. It's about siblings who find tranquility and connection in the simple act of harvesting. Biogrowth Catalyst isn't just a product, it's a revolution in farming. It transforms struggling gardeners into experts, barren plots into blooming gardens, and brings families closer to nature. Why not give it a go? Experience the wonder of Biogrowth Catalyst and bring the joy of homegrown produce to your dining table. Your taste buds will thank you.